Are you serious right now, bro? Dude, I need to get fired up, man. This is actually ridiculous, dude. You can't, like, you gotta be joking, dude. Oh, fucking God, dude. Alright, dude. Fuck me, man. Are you joking me, man? I got you that car's gift, man. Come on. Dude, you sell my car, not even the one I bought for you? You're not even gonna have it for a fucking day, man? Get the fucking camera on my face, man. Hey, dude, everything I know is a lie. Like, Buddy says he's not gonna sell the car. One day in, Buddy's gonna sell the car. Like, what's up with that, dude? He's like, oh, I'm not gonna sell the car. Dude, I bought him that car as a gift, man. Trudeau's hard-earned money that he gave to me. I bought Adam a car with it. You know, he's gonna go and fucking sell it. Look who it is, hey? Look at this guy. Why is he here, man? What's he doing? Dude, what the fuck is he doing, dude? Are you fucking serious, man? Dude, he's gonna fucking sell it. He's taking pictures of it. My gift that I bought him, dude. Like, you gotta be joking, dude. Look at this fucking guy, man.
Fuck, dude. Shit's looking fire, hey? Like a goddamn jalapeno pepper, dude. Fuck. I don't know what Noah's going on about. I bought the car with my own money. Like, we all got money from Justin Trudeau, but Noah spent it all in FR Legends coins. Like, he wouldn't even have money to buy the car anyway. Like, we pretended that he bought it as a joke, but he's still in character. It's ridiculous.
What do you mean I'm stuck in character, dude? Bought him the fucking car with my own money, dude. Get out of here, dude.
And I'm not even selling the car. I'm just taking pictures for the gram, man.
Fuck you, dude. No cap.
Dude, literally though. But like, no, dude, fuck you.
Where's my fucking hat, dude?
Right there, dude.
Pause.
Dude, what's up your buns, dude?
I know you're fucking selling your car, dude.
Dude!
Give me the fucking talking cup, dude. Fuck you, dude.
Dude, I'm not selling, I'm taking photos of the gram, dude.
Dude, what do you mean, dude? I don't believe you, dude.
Dude, if our Instagram's gonna be fire for the 2020 summer season, then we gotta get fire pics, dude. Trust, fam. Do you really think I'd cap on you, dude?
Dude, no cap. I'm
See,
sorry,
cap.
dude.
Yeah.
I should have known better, dude.
Dude, I'm just trying to get some flames pics, dude.
Fuck, dude.
Okay, hit the vape store.
I'm down, dude. No cap, dude.
Fire,
Trust.
Dude. Trust, fam.
Right,
Fucking
dude.
go, dude. She's looking pretty jalapeno.
That does look pretty good, dude. I'm sorry
dude.
again.
Nah, don't worry, dude. Jalapenos will fucking get you, dude. Fire.
Dude.
Oh, dude, we ended up sorting it out. Just had each other misunderstood. We forgot one thing, dude. Trust, fam, right? So we went, got that new cotton candy raccoon poon vape juice from the Vapes Lord store. And yeah, then we chooched and it was alright, dude. Dude. Collar, popped, and locked. Fire, dude.
How was that? What? Oh, okay. Michael. Hello. Is this just all the individual stuff on it?
No, I couldn't figure out how to take it apart.
Okay, wait.
SpongeBob the fucking
The horn?
Yeah.
Wait, how does it work?
So you're like driving and you gotta.
Wait, what? Sorry, what? That needs to come out, man. Just like, wait, pop the trunk so you can see what it looks like. Look at this shit, man. Homemade, buddy. Yeah, we're redoing both of our B pillars today.
It's like this just looks absolutely. I had these like fake carbon fiber things you can kind of see up here.
You get a good shot of that, brother?
Ugly shit, man. We need a screwdriver. No, it's just Phillips.
Noah.
What a guy.
This is what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna take them off, sand them, Got some high build primer. Got some trim paint. We're gonna do them on.
You need a fucking screwdriver.
Man, you need to open the fucking garage, right? Oh, fuck, bro. There it is.
It's good value.
Decent.
Alright. What's going?
Notice how we try on his car first.
My car's 30 times nicer than yours.
What do you mean, man? Look at that hood fitting. Do you have a fire ass sub? No. That goes.
Camera bitch. Camera wench. What are you doing, man? I just don't get it, like...
Yeah, this one wasn't our TV. It came off way better. Wow. Alright, pulling these ones off the parts car now.
Yeah, I think came off mine too. I think it's like pressure fit in there. It looks fire, dude.
So lit,
Fucking
dude.
fire, dude. Everything.
Yeah, let us know how you feel about the us having a cameraman now. If you don't like it,
Fucking
sucks.
eat a dick.
They're probably not going to change it, but I think it'll be better. We can do a lot more shit now.
Ah, parts car. Yeah, the door won't even fucking close on this clunker.
What are you thinking, like 400? You're probably going to need some low shit. But
I'm gonna need some potent sandpaper. Dude, the other day my nipples were so fucking hard, right?
Yeah.
And I get out of my car at the bank.
Why were you at the bank?
Because I was depositing the money for the S13. And I like scrape between two cars, right? Yeah, absolutely fucking diamond cutted the fucking 2018 GMC Sierra with my nipples.
Some
Shit was fucked, dude. Pancake batter. The last dandelion.
Oh! So dog, dude. Fuck, dude. Oh. Sorry, fucking sick rat, dude.
Oh, dude.
Fuck. Get him, dude.
Oh, dude.
He stole your swag, dude.
Dead.
What are you gonna do about that, dude? Let him know, dude.
Oh, fucking pussy, dude.
Curb stomp, dude.
Dude, look at this little apple.
Get it, dude. Yeah, eat that apple, dude.
That apple, dude. Fucking ate the shit out of it, dude. Wax and grease remover, dude. Fire. Fire. Oh, it's fucking breezy, dude. It ain't easy being steezy.
Dude, these look sick as is, dude.
We should neochrome them, dude.
Looking pretty mad lit, dude. Leave it like that or what, dude? Don't even let it dry, just spray the trim paint on, dude.
2-ton fire.
You sure we only need one can?
Standing in Noah's room, touching all his shit. Hello. Oh, look at that. There's a fucking throwback. The 15s and under got ripped apart because people were like, oh, that's some pedophile shit. No, you're just sick fuck.
No, dude, this is our
style?
first. This is our first.
Oh, yeah, the Marlboro pack. Just fucking do it, dude.
Oh, look at cameraman getting all the fucking shots, eh?
Fire, dude. Not fire, dude.
So Adam peels off the Sylvia logo from the back. We're gonna take a gander at his filaments here, because you can see everything's off. That's off. That's not clipped in. Over here, this corner light's hanging out.
Is that right here?
Yeah, probably. Alright, so you can see the center grill fits a lot better now. Better than it was. Oh wait, what the fuck, dude? Why is it so high, dude?
Yeah.
There's a bumper gap now.
I know. On fire.
This is the same sponge I'm pretty sure I used to clean my bathroom, but
Oh.
what are you gonna do, you know?
Maybe use a different one. I don't know.
I don't know. You want to stay away from the edges because you don't want to go through the primer. That's looking pretty mint, man. I think that's all we really needed. Fuck my life.
What is this paint?
Duplicolor, bro.
Are you kidding me?
We're gonna have to lay it down dumb tick to get rid of that.
What the fuck is that?
Looking pretty mint, dude. We should leave them like that. Clear over that.
Dude, that looks so fire.
Whoa!
I don't know if I vibe with the texture.
I don't understand why it's textured.
So I think if you have the texture kind of bump and then you put texture paint on, it makes it more fire.
More lit. Yeah.
Trust. Fuck, dude, looks like shit. Start painting here with the clear, and then just keep moving forward.
How much like motivation should I move forward with?
Just keep moving forward. Doesn't even matter as long as you keep moving forward, dude.
Laying her down.
Hit him! Hit him! Like it, you fucking bitch. Gonna dislike our videos now? Gonna dislike our videos now? Fucking sleeper! Fighting back!
Better fucking subscribe, man.
Tag me in, tag me in, tag me in. Come on, fucking spider monkey. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag flowing in the wind?
Dude, these look really bad. I think it's better than they were before, though. Actually, I don't know.
Look at dude, that's probably mine. Fuck. I know I should have shaved that shit.
I think they're dry, actually.
Okay, I really got my fingerprints in this one, so we're gonna have to wet sand them later once they've like hardened for a while. Fuck, dude.
It's like, I know, you know, somehow, something like that.
So I know, you see, somehow the world will change me and be so wonderful. Live life, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there and be so wonderful. We'll make you change your mind.
Okay,
anyway,
they're on. Comment who do you think did a better job, even though Adam painted them and I sanded them, so it's like equal.
well, mine have all my fingerprints on.
Equal faults. Yeah. Next video we'll probably do it off camera, but we'll wet sand.
Yeah. Next video, putting the long champs on the coupe. My coupe. Last time you're gonna see those long champs go in a car. Actually, no, we're gonna do them on the 180.
They're going on Adam's car for like 2 months. Then they're going to Nelson after that, because we have wheels coming. I dropped it by accident, not by accident, a couple videos ago. So if you know, you know. If you don't, you're gonna have to wait.
If you don't, fucking suck a chid.
Let us know what you think about our cameraman.
Yeah,
Man.
he's kind of shit. He did some good things, did some bad things.
Yeah, we're gonna have a meeting with him in a couple days because we gotta discuss some logistics with him. Fucking subscribe, because there's like, it's like 48% of you people that watch our videos aren't subscribed. If you like watch this video, look at the effort we put into it. We hired ourselves a cameraman.
A fucking cameraman.
We spat water on each